All right, students, here is their grade sheet for Piano 2. Here we have 20 points for note naming sheets, which will be published shortly. 20 points for all the major and minor scales and triads. And then you've got your white key scales 2 octaves. And you've got your cadences for 3 of those keys. And then you have the new black key scales, only 1 octave hand separate. Those are 10 points each, quite easy. I have 2 exercises which I've already posted, the down-up exercises and the chromatic exercises. There's 28 points that you're going to start off with right away, okay? Technique is considered to be student learning outcome or exit skills required for Piano 2 to advance. So you need to get all of these done. You also have extra credit here. 15 points from this little exercise I made, 10 points to write a review of your self-critique of the midterm performance, and practicing your scales a certain way, and you can get up even to 30 points if you do that a lot. Okay, so that is the technique. You want to do all these, especially at first, and make these a part of your practice regimen when you practice. This right here is commercial repertoire. This is the classical repertoire. This is some advanced classical repertoire, which is really not that advanced. So it would probably be good to mark Allemande and Canary, because those two are quite easy, and you get 36 points, double the points of one of these, and they're not a whole lot, they're not really double the difficult or length necessarily. Okay, so 440 points is your total for an A. So up here, if you do, once you do all those, is 238 for the technique, right? And then if you needed 440 for an A, that leaves just 202 points left over needed for an A. Needed for an A, okay? So that's what we want. Everybody loves to get an A. So we want to get an A in this class. So we need 202 more points. So you have to get that with the repertoire, not even counting the extra credit that's available, not even counting that yet. We have the repertoire, so commercial, classical, and advanced repertoire. So you only need a combination of 202 points of that. If you did the entire box, it would be 252 points. And then this is classical is 270 points. A little bit more because there's more pieces. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 15. Here there's only 12, even though these are 8 points less. So it's 18 points different, I think. And an advance is a total of, 156 points, I think, here. Okay, if you did all of these. Okay, there's 36 points of those. You don't have to do any whole section of these, remember. You pick and choose. You can throw darts put it on your board and throw darts. No, that's silly. But you listen to them once they're posted, and you choose maybe 1 out of the 3 or 4 that it's published as we go along, and learn what you like. I have so much so that it gives you more of an option to play. And if some of you have some background already, according to your talent, you might want to challenge yourself. However, okay, so this repertoire needs to be posted, and it will be, but we're going entirely online now, so these will be posted. We don't use textbooks. Some of these pieces, all these pieces came out of the textbook, so I have to format them so they are public domain accessible for you on the Canvas site. Okay, and so we have all these pieces, and so if you just did, say, a combination of, say, 4 commercial, 4 these, and 4 of these, that would be 84 points for these, because these are 21 points. 4 of these would be 72 points, and if you just did 2 of these, it would be another 72 points. So right there you have 4, 6, 8, 15. There you go. There's your A. It doesn't have to be that. You can do 8 classical. You can do 8 commercial. You can do 6 and 2 and 1. However, because remember, you also have extra credit, so you don't really even have to do this much repertoire, because there are extra credit options with these here as well. Okay, I hope that makes it a little bit more accessible to you and understanding how you can get a good grade in this class. I hope you all pass with a great, strong A. If you added all the points up, it'd probably be over 1,000 points. So there's much more here than you need to do for an A. I hope that helps.